from this lecture, we'll start building real APIs. Here I welcome you to the day 6 of our Backend Development course. In this lecture, we will learn about Express framework. What is an Express framework? An Express is a lightweight framework built on top of Node.js, which is used in making real-life web servers and APIs. To understand this better, let's take our previous analogy of a restaurant. In that we had a chef that prepares the food. This time we have the chef with all tools and recipes, and also there are helpers to help the chef. Think of this time the chef will make the dishes more efficiently and more better. Likewise, with Express.js framework, we can make our backend more powerful and efficient. Now let us understand how we can create an Express server. To create an Express server, we first create an Express app using the Express library. Then we define the different routes used by our API and or the server, which will be called by the client. And finally, we listen to our app that we created. Here is a code that defines a very simple Express server. Now let us move to a very important topic, that is middleware. A middleware is a function that runs between a request and a response. To understand this middleware, take the example of the security check that you see in an airport. In an airport, when you enter, there is a security check that you has to pass to board your flight. Likewise, in Express, when a client gives a request to the server, it first goes to the middleware where it checks that the request for which the client is asking is he authenticated or is he authorized for that request, and on checking that and found correct, the server responds with a response. Now let us finally understand what is a request response pipeline. This is a very important architecture in which we define the flow of the request, how it goes through different functions and middlewares. It is also known as middleware stack because in this we define how different middlewares talk to each other and how the request finally goes to the response. We will dive deep into this request response pipeline in our coming lectures. For today, that's all. Thank you.